Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we shall learn about subtotal. I have already made this chart to save time. Now we can see there are some columns. This is a name of the employee. This is salary of the employee. This is incentive of the employee. Total. This is the total figure of the employees. Suppose Abraham, his salary $2,000. He got incentive $200. Total $2,200. So we shall add all the employees' salary, total income. So let's sum all the employees' salary. Let's click on the home, click on auto sum. So total is 21,600. Now we want to see the total of only Abraham and Bonnie. So let's make a filter. Let's go to data, click on the filter. Filter is added on the header. So let's deselect all and click on Abraham, Bonnie and their total. So Abraham and Bonnie, their total income is $2,200, $3,300. So total should be $5,500, but the total is showing $21,600. This is not correct. So sum formula is showing the total of all the employees' monthly income. So sum function cannot calculate total of individuals. So what we have to do to see the individuals' monthly total, we have to use subtotal formula. So let's select all, delete this sum formula, add subtotal formula. Subtotal, subtotal, open bracket. Let's select sum number 9, comma. Let's show the range. So this cell to this cell. Close bracket and hit the enter. This subtotal is also showing the correct total figure. Sorry. The benefit of using subtotal is we can see each individual's total if we want. Let's try. Suppose let's deselect all. We want to see the total of Isabella and Corim. Click OK. It's now showing the correct figure. Isabella total income is $3,600. Total income of Corim is $2,600. Total is 6,250 and it is showing the right figure. So subtotal can calculate the individual cells total, can calculate the sum of individual cells. Hope you can understand. Let's try again. Now we select Abraham and Rossi and Bonnie. It shows the total sum of these three persons. So friends, hope you can understand this formula. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.